Hey guys, thanks for making your way to the video today. In today's video, we're going to be replacing the plug end on an electrical cord. Mine happens to be the plug end for my APB arcade game. As you can see, the grounding pin had busted off there. It was like that when I bought it. I got my replacement right next to it. That's the Leviton 3-plug replacement end. Should be pretty easy. It's important for a couple reasons that we replace this. Number one, you can get yourself shocked if you're plugging in a grounded electrical plug without the ground pin. That's dangerous. Number two, you could hurt whatever you're plugging in, you know, so you could hurt in my case, I could hurt my arcade game, which I definitely don't want to do, but you know, whether it's a toaster or blender or whatever it is, you can cause harm to it by not having the ground plug there. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut off the old plug there. And this is just what I had handy, using this to cut off the end. By the way, this replacement plug, the Leviton one, it could take anywhere from 12 to 18 AWG. It's got like some grips inside, so depending on your cord size here, those are pretty standard sizes. But let's just go ahead and cut this as close as we can to the head there, and just like that, it's off. And you can see there the ground pin just busted off at some point from repeated use. So, and then you can see inside here we have our black, our white, and our green, which is the green is the ground. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to strip back some of the sheathing here. Not too much. I'm going to do about 3/4 of an inch. And I'm using a razor blade, and I'm being very careful because I don't want to cut the cord inside, and I also do not feel like cutting my finger. So I'm just gently going around the end. And you can see it's already starting to peel back there. Let's just wiggle it off. There we go. And let's see if that's going to be enough. Let's open up the Leviton plug end here. It's just using a Phillips screw there. Just taking that out. And then it opens up like so. So this is going to fit in here like so. And we can see that those wires are not going to make it to their destination. Yeah, I need to peel back a little bit more. Let's take another, what is that? Maybe like 3/8 of an inch or so. Okay. Now we got that trimmed back far enough where we're going to be able to get the plug in and get the wires to their destination. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my wire stripper here. I'm just kind of getting these wires apart here. We're going to stick that in about a 1/2 inch there, maybe a little bit over. There's that one. Same thing on this, a little bit over a 1/2 inch. Same thing on the grounding, a little bit over a 1/2 inch. Okay, now we got our wires trimmed back. Let's get this hooked up to the new plug end. Okay guys, so here's the inside of the plug end. You'll notice there's 3 different colors. There is a green screw, a silver screw, and a gold screw. The green screw is for the ground, the silver screw is for the white, and the gold screw is the hot. It is for the black wire. So we're going to hook the black up to the gold, the white up to the silver, and then the green up to the ground. What you want to do is you want to twist the wires together, and then you want to form them into a hook shape, like a clockwise hook shape, because that's the way that you're going to be turning the screw. So the first one we're going to do here is I'm going to put in the ground, and I loosened up the screw there, And so you can just take your hook-shaped wire and you can put it in there. I'm going to try to hold this all steady. Oops. Like so. And then we're going to twist it down and lock it into place. Okay, so there's the green. Now, we're going to kind of readjust the wires a little bit. We're going to take our black, same deal. We're going to twist it up. Put it into a clockwise hook shape. And then we're going to attach it to the gold screw, like so. Oops, some of the wires are coming apart there. Okay. Okay, so now let's get the black one in. Loosen that up just a little bit more. Okay, black one's in there, holding it in place, and then tightening it down. And then finally our white one. Just taking all the wires here, twisting them together, and then bending into a clockwise little hook there. And then we're going to put it around the silver screw. And then once you do, get it into place there, and we will tighten it down. Okay, let's go ahead and shut this up. So now that we have everything attached, we're just going to make sure everything looks good, just re-inspecting that everything's in place, and it is. So then we're gonna bring the cord down here. Might take a little bit of adjusting, because you can see we might actually have to trim back the sheathing a little bit more, because there is this piece here, and it's not going to go through the sheathing. I need to bring the sheathing back about another, I don't know, 3/8 of an inch or so. So let me go ahead and do that really quick. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I got the sheathing cut back there a little bit more so we could fit this piece through the wires there. Rechecked everything. Everything's hooked up tight. Now we're just going to go ahead and close it. And once you make sure it closes properly, you can put the screw back in and twist it shut. That's not wanting to go in. Let's check what's going on the inside. Okay. Let's try again. All right, and we're done. Got the new plug end on the game. Got our grounding pin, so we're safe. Everything's hooked up properly. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I do appreciate you guys, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.